Now let us take up question number 7, which says, state 2 advantages of an apomictic seed to a farmer. Now this question has come from the chapter Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plants and it has a weightage of 2 marks. आप 2 advantages लिखेंगे, एक advantage का 1 mark है and in totality you'll get 2 out of 2. So first of all we should know what is an apomictic seed. Apomictic seed वो seeds होते हैं which are formed without fertilization. So let's see the advantages. Number 1 advantage is that production of hybrid seeds जो हम hybridization से बनाते हैं, that is costly and hence seed become more expensive. The process is a little bit more complicated and the seeds, hybrid seeds are little bit more expensive for farmer. But whereas if I choose these seeds, the apomictic seeds, they become cost effective. Now the second advantage. If the hybrid seeds, those seeds which are created after a process of cross hybridization, उन seeds को हम अगर apomictic बना दे, what is going to happen? Their year-round availability is ensured. Farmer कभी भी उन seeds को use कर सकता है throughout the year. So yes, if the hybrid seeds are made apomictic, then the farmers can use to raise new crop every year without buying hybrid seeds every year. So that's the another advantage. तो आपको 1 mark मिलेगा इसका और 1 mark मिलेगा इसका and in totality 2 out of 2 marks for this question. Now let us proceed to another question.
Here's our next question. Now in this question you have to list 2 diseases that spread through inhaling droplets or aerosols. Write 1 prominent symptoms for each one of them. Now droplets or aerosols are fine mist. जैसे the person who is infected जब वो खांसता है और छींकता है तो एक फाइन मिस्ट एरोसोल की तरह बाहर एमिट होती है और दूसरा पर्सन जो नियर बाय है वो इनहेल करके उसमें भी इन्फेक्शन आ जाता है. तो ऐसी कौन सी डिजीजेज जो इस तरह से स्प्रेड होती हैं और उन सब का सिम्टम भी लिखना है. सो हियर 2 diseases that spread in this method are pneumonia and common cold. Now this much of the answer will fetch you 1 mark. Now moving on to the symptom for each one of these diseases. So first one for pneumonia. Now in case of pneumonia, there would be fever, chills and cough. In severe cases, the lips and the fingernails turn grey to bluish in color because of insufficient oxygen. Because in this case, you know that in the alveoli, there would be fluid filling in. So out of these many symptoms that are mentioned here, even 1 symptom you write, you will get half a mark. The other half mark you will get from writing correctly the symptom for common cold. So common cold is characterized by nasal congestion and discharge because lot of mucus is produced. So initially there is watery discharge and then there is thick discharge and this would be followed by hoarseness, tiredness, etc. So this way you can see the distribution of marks in question that naming the diseases only is for 1 mark and symptom half of mark each. So this way this question will easily fetch you 2 marks in total. So from here we can move on to our next question.
Now let us take up question number 9 which says what makes humus a reservoir of nutrients? Name and write about the process humus undergoes that enriches the soil. Guys, this question has come from the unit ecology and as you can see it's a 2 marker question. 1 mark आपको मिलेगा इस part का, that is the what makes humus a reservoir of nutrients and 1 marks आपको इस part का मिलेगा. ठीक है, let's see how we can write it to the point and get 2 marks. So number 1, what makes humus a reservoir of nutrient? The colloidal nature, yes, the colloidal nature of humus makes it reservoir of nutrients and humus undergoes degradation. Since it is biodegradable, it gets degraded by microbes and inorganic nutrients are released into the soil. This process is called mineralization. Now students, as I said, 1 mark for this part and 1 mark for this part and in totality you will get 2 out of 2 marks. बहुत ही direct question था, to the point आपको answer करना है, 2 के 2 marks आपको मिल जाएंगे. Now let us proceed to our next question.